manje into emnandi ukuthi masize la eSouth Africa asidinga ama-passport ebhoda lapha eBedbridge bayasiyeka amaphoyisa la eSouth Africa bathi dlulani sibanika ama-2 rand bayasidlulisa lapha besiceda lapho siza la sizongena eSouth Africa sizogqilaza futhi siceda sikubanika ama-2 rand 2 nuts guys sibanikeza ama-2 rand because nabo balambile lapho ngizothi even eSouth Africa uthi wena thina sifuna ama-citizenship ngiyayisaphi indoda yaseSouth Africa ngamasenda ohlokile ngiyayisaphi ngoba amadoda aseSouth Africa kugcwele oshukela ni week nonke nabafazi bakhona ni week nje ninuka nensinsila futhi amadoda aseSouth Africa awasokanga siyawasapha amadoda siyawasapha amadoda aseSouth Africa into ezinamajwabu sisi in country nethu siyakhamsayiza sisi akuna Zimbabwe nenejwabu yangizwa ukuthi siyonisaphi ninika imtsinsila ninje siyonisaphi ngithi sigqilaza la eSouth Africa ngizwa unzini ngijwayele kabi nina nigcela amadoda aseSouth Africa agcela amajwabu siyawasaphi thina amadoda wenu siyawasapha abafana baseSouth Africa abafana bangafundile achievement yenu kuba ngomagezi disconnect yourself njawothufi disconnect yourself ngenquze ejuzubomvu disconnect yourself on my coins kummatha kwakho kummatha kwabantu bakho ephapha lapha ndathi thirimuno kuzoshungurudza South Africa uri kundiwa. We are here to abuse you guys. Yes, I said it.
Huh? You are here to abuse us?
Thank you. Woo! Miranda, Ope! Yes, we are here to abuse. Ayo, tell them to apply Zimbabwe to the world. Yeah. And nalama coins lawa are illegal, sis. Uyabona ama coins akisana illegal, sis. Kusho ukuthi yonke into yethu siyenza illegal, sis. Siqelaza illegal. Yebo sis. Yes, siyaprove manje ukuthi hayi. Siphusha umgunyathi. Bring it. Nama coins lawa akisana illegal, sis. Bring it on. Zimbabwe to the world. Zimbabwe to the world. Can I see our flag? Can I see our flag? Better than flag here to sis. If flag here says Zimbabwe. Yeah.
Bantu bakithi kulomntwana wasemathebeleleni wakumthwakazi otrendayo lapha kuma social media ngendlela engalunganga having a back and forth lama South Africans ngithemba abantu abaningi seliyibonile leya video. Into engayitsho bantu bakithi ukuthi singabantu bakomthwakazi kufanele sinanzelele ukuthi yithi abantu abahluphekileyo yithi abantu abadinga usizo. So noma ngabe bekuprovoke ama South Africans noma bekwenzani, this is not a time to have a back and forth labo ngoba you can see them, they are trying to fight back for their country, they are trying to fix their country. So mathina sizibona ngathi singcono, why are we not in our countries? It shows ukuthi yithi abantu who are in need. So this is not a time, this is a very inauspicious time ukuthi sesingayenza i-back and forth isilwe labo. No, social media is a very dangerous tool. Izinto ziyamemetheka, people clip ama-clip amancane, they won't get the full context noma ngabe ubu-right kumbe ubu-wrong. So they will just take that small clip bayiposte and then at the end of the day kuthengeka isizwe sikamthwakazi. So we will always defend isizwe sikamthwakazi, and mangabe kulezi zinto ezingalunganga isizibona siphuma endleleni kufanele sikhuzaneni kwenzela ukuthi sikwazini ukuthi sihlonitshwe ngoba izinhlambi ezinjana kuma social media ziyehlisa isithunzi sakithi, ziyehlisa isithunzi sakomthwakazi. So ngathi thina akasifundisekanga, so ngathi thina sesilomoya wabantu basempumalanga abathanda ukukhuluma fighting insulting South Africans and all that. No, thina silobuntu siyazi ukuthi yes ama South Africans vele ayakhuluma makwerekwere kubuhlungu, but we must never forget ukuthi they are a host country, they are helping us at a time of need, so we need to respect them, sibanikeze indawo yabo. What I will say mhlambe kuma South Africans who are going to see i-video yami, I will say ukuthi on behalf of her, we are very sorry siyisizwe sikamthwakazi. Umntwana ngwasemathebeleleni wakomthwakazi, so kufanele uthini izinto ezithinta umthwakazi sikwazini ukuthi sizixazulule abantu bezi-understanding ngoba singabantu abalobuntu, abantu abahluphekileyo at the same time abadinga usizo. So mangabe sesithethisana labantu abasizayo kanje on social platforms and all that, kuyasehlisa isithunzi and people will never want to help us. Kuyabe kungathi thina singabantu nje abangalamthetho, abantu abalubudlwangudlwangu and all that. So bengafisi nje ukuthi ivideo yami ibe yinde, bengifisa nje just ukuthi ngikhuze komthwakazi. Bantu bakithi bakomthwakazi kasizibambeni, kasizithibeni, kubuhlungu konke mhlambe amagama lani, but this is not a time This is not a time to pick up a fight with the people who are fighting for their country, especially in the foreigners and all that. So, thank you, Yabo.
Yeah, le hayi bafethu hayi yakhuluma lentokazi le thiwe kaMthwakazi yangale Zimbabwe ayakhuluma bafethu. Yabona bafethu mhlawumbe umuntu ongazi lutho ngeZimbabwe hayi bafana hayi ake ngiliyeke nje ila iside leli laseMashonaland ngijime ngayo njengoba nengapha eIndebele ngoba lona leli laseMashonaland lithe ukuba ngcono ngokwentuthuko lingconywana angisho ukuthi li right lingcono lo sisilona mangathi akathatha isithombe sakhe before afike la eSouth Africa bese siqhathanisa nesithombe sakhe 3 months esefike la eSouth Africa angeke avume mangathi akwenzele lokho ngoba umehluko angawubona lapha mkhulu kakhulu futhi naye ngaba namahloni. South Africa imthathile ufike ehluphekile elambile wazofuna umsebenzi ngapha yamenza umuntu usesuthi useyayibhoshela. Stop lento ukuthi bekudlalwa igame or ibhanta game or bantamo what this fucking bullshit. Kwakwazi ukuthi mangishonelwe mina uqhamuke wena uzohlekisa ngabantu abashonelwe ngishonele bese uthi wena ubuwenza igame ubudlala ngalokho. Ngine 100% sure lo sesithi njengoba nje esuka ngapha eMandebeleni ugesi uhlala endaweni enogesi uqale la eSouth Africa maku ukuthi ubuye endaweni esemakhaya namanje until now la buya khona ubuya khanyisa ilambu isibani ikhandlela or isiketekete abanagesi kodwa yena ukwazi ukuthi iCountry emnike yonke into wonke ama minerals ayo yamnikeza ugesi yamnikeza into abangayazi ugesi uqale ukuhlala endaweni enogesi uqale la eSouth Africa ehlala egesi wamahala beubridge bewenza zonke lezo zinto yamenza umuntu wahleka ngamazinyo egolide kube njengamanje akaze eze la eSouth Africa uhlala eZimbabwe ungaba kanako lamazinyo egolide ungaba kanazo kwalezi inwele zokufakela lezi ayifakile ekhaya muhlo umuntu manje usekhohliwe useqala eSouth Africa uyayibhoshela. Ngiyakutshela ngithi mawungathi akakashutha umuzi wakubo ekhaya la suka khona angeke zavume kodwa ukwazi ukuthi manga benza ama content esehleli la eSouth Africa lemenza umuntu lemenza ukuthi lento ayiyona beyiyo ngenxa yayo useyibiza ngawo wonke amagama. I1 into engimvumelana naye mina kuyena indaba yamaphoyisa yabo le yamaphoyisa le ukuba ukhulume ngayo ngoba vela useless amaphoyisa la eSouth Africa ukuthi bayidlulela ngemali eborder iqiniso lelo siyalazi ne but asinandaba thina nakho kodwa ukuba uzikhulumele ngakho bese ngeke sesibe nandaba kodwa ukuthinta thina abantu base South Africa ethi sinamajwa wakwala lo muntu uselale nabantu abangakula eSouth Africa asebeza ukuthi banamajwa bangaki abantu alale nabo yazi lo Nondindo abafowethu iSouth Africa imenza umuntu esuka ezweni elihluphekayo engazi nokuthi ugesi yini ebasaphansi manje usekwazi ukuhlala endaweni enogesi uyacwebezela usecabanga ukuthi iSouth Africa kumele ayinyele ngalendlela ayinyela ngayo. Yoba ngisho ukuthi ukuba uyikhulumela kwamaphoyisa emabhoda ngoba ukhuluma iqiniso lapho kodwa thina abantu baseSouth Africa singenaphi igame yokunuka uthukizwe elikuphilisa elikwenza uye toilet elikakisayo ongabe ubhizi ubulawa indlala lapha ezweni lakhe awazi nokuthi ugesi yini. Ugesi uqalela eSouth Africa ukuhlala endaweni enogesi uqalela eSouth Africa mawuye ekhaya kini kufanele uthenge amakhandlela mayesebuyele ekhaya ehambe le ekhanyisa iketekede namakhandlela ebase phansi emlilweni njengamanje thina usesibiza ngalezi zinto asibiza ngazo uthi asifundile zonke lezo zinto. Hayi bafana bomlungu hayi kulungile ntombazana ebathola kodwa abafana nawe.
Asinayo inkinga nothi nifike nizohlala la. Inkinga isuka la nimuzweni uthini lo nanso ke inkinga la isuka khona ba manje usesihlokolozile manje sesophuma semfuna sesixoxa nabantu abanganacala nifika la engabe nifika la ngoba siyazi emazweni isimo sinjani nicashe nenzelukeni kwenza okuncane ukuthi nisurvive kodwa nifika la nizosidelela amadoda la sendelelo sisibethu laba basidayise kunina buka kuba namhlanje kubuka uthini lo ngicela nobuka le video nimuze uthini ngosisi bethu laba basidayisile namhlanje bafethu hayi thiwa sithuleni mase siphuma sithatha izaqwayi amahawe sesophuma sesohlola zaba thiwa iZenofop ubuka usiswe isa kanjani uthi amaphoyisa la South Africa bawanika u2 lambili bafethu inkulumo enjani le usezwe uyasazi nesizulu umuntu wakhona hey bathi amadoda ase-South Africa nejwabu abasukile sinoshukela wasihliphisa sisizwe wasihliphisa Meswa la sesingena yonke izindlu sesinikhipha la iZenofop kodwa niyadelela bukani beyisa kanjani bafethu bukani beyisa kanjani
Tell you the truth, mntana sekhaya. Sinengisile sipanqile ezizweni. Ake sihloniphe lapho esigcinwe khona. Njalo ake sifunde ukuzinuka amakhwapha. What we have said kule video, you have damaged sumoshe kakhulu more than anything. Ubona ukuthi sima simanga kahle sisadinga ukuthi siphephele kahle wena uyokhuluma kabi. If you are in South Africa lento izakufaka engozini mntana sekhaya dileta wonke ama video akho okhuluma kabi ngama South African njalo la ku live yakho that day I was watching you ukhuluma same thing. How could you insult abantu esincengise ezweni labo njalo ukwazi ukuthi abanye bakhona abasasifuni lokho sokuyikwenza ukuthi uedele inamba yabanengi ukuthi bengasasivumeli. You are insulting amapolisa. Thina asikaze sadiza ipolice amasisiza eSouth Africa. Thina asikaze sayikhupha imali epoliseni. Cha. You are total wrong. Mntana sekhaya umuhle unesithunzi. Ungenza icontent yakho ngokucula. Ungenza icontent yakho ngokumodela. Ayikufanele lento oyikhulumayo umoshela abanye abantu ke manje. Khumbula ukuthi la eSouth Africa kunamakhosi. Khumbula ukuthi la eSouth Africa kulezinduna ezinye abafuna ukusivikela. Kodwa now le video isitrende kakhulu mntana sekhaya. Size yafika ezandleni ezirong. Mina khona abantu la eSouth Africa emphila nabo. Njalo kukhona abanye abasekhaya abayithumelele ivideo le ukuthi sicela ukhuzela umntwana uyasimoshela. Mina nickname yami beside ukuthi ngumagwegwe. Ngibizwa ngomacengwane umchuni. Ngoba ngijwayele ukuthi manje joka labo ngithi hayi lina lingasambizwa kwaseZimbabwe mina ngibuya le ngaselokho eMsinga. Hayi ukuthi ngiyabe ngizifihla kodwa ikuthi ngiyabaza abantu esiphila nabo abasithandayo. Njalo sometimes abamvusayo mangabe ngishayile. But ivideo le ifikile kwabanye babo and then they spoke bad of you. I felt pain ukuthi lo wakithi sekhulunywa kabi abantu bala eSouth Africa. I was ashamed to say so insultwa nami ukuthi vele namaZimbabwe liyadelela. What is this? You have damaged it. Mntana sekhaya grow up and apologize and say it. Ubatshela ukuthi no, it was just a content. Omunye waseZimbabwe wadlala kabi. molu yasethembisa. Kwaba into enzima kakhulu ukuthi kwashayelwa phansi kwalungiswa. Fune la yona lani into adlala ngayo kwaba ngumthelela ekumoshakeleni ukuze kube la lendaba. So mntana sekhaya, you look so beautiful. If mangabe ngikhulume kabi, I humble myself too and apologize that I am sorry. But ubedile. Withdraw what you have said. Njalo nga-appeal ku social media for now. Because amanye ama South African sebe kufollowile on your platform. Ungabe wona so retire igoli usekhaya. Kodwa ukhumbula ukuthi eSouth Africa kusesenabanye abafowethu abalana. Sometimes you need to understand their anger. I'm serious. Let's respect them. Whether they are insulting us. What is the use with mabes insult and then we should insult back? Yona linto ukuthi asiyindawo. Asihamba siyindawo. Uzuyiposte ku social media. If you're not going anywhere, keep it in your mouth, in your head. Respect them. We are in their country. Although sebekhohlwa ukuthi iZipra was here to help them. Although sebekhohlwa ukuthi iZimbabwe yadelaya ifreedom yethu because of them. Although sebekhohlwa ukuthi Mozambique they assisted. SADC side were assisting. But we need to respect them. We need to respect them. Than to insult. Dear my police are this, is our teaser. Yeah, we are not here to oppress. This statement is in Chaga Kulmauti. We are here to oppress them. You are here to oppress them, not Tina. She has Kupa with the statement Sako. You need to grow up, Sisinyana man. Hey, fuck off, Manezi. Yo, if I will close to you, my beautiful sister, that was going to be the first time in my life. Shamunto mfazi, ngempameshisana. Bezo kushanye ngimpame buhlungu ukuthi lo mino wami kuyosalela esikhathini sakhe operator lempilo hospital. Abantu bayashaywa bayagijinyiswa bamaphisi but you speak your nonsense. Yazi thini, ngiyazama ucontrol anger yami when I see your vision uyazi uzucijisa umlomo yazi ngathi mhlawumbe udako lushayeleke emdulwini. Nonsense mntana sekhaya. Nonsense itate wethu. Nonsense. Your video is trending. Is affecting abanye abantu manje. We know siphila nzima emzansi. Some innocent people, they die because of such people like you. We say rest in peace to Elvis Nyathi. Naye wafa efela into angayaziyo. Efela icala lomunye umuntu efana nawe. Tanasekhaya, let me tell you the truth. Nyakuzonda, I hate you with all of my heart. If somebody may bring inhliziyo yakhe, ebezomboleka nguzonde futhi. All Zimbabweans, they may borrow me their heart. I'll use those hearts to hurt you. Futhi ngufisela impilo ende. I don't want you to die, but ngufisela impilo ende. Ukuthi wante uzoba namahloni ngento ekhulumileyo. Stop this nonsense swami, ngiyacela mntana sekhaya. Stop. Bullshit mina ngiyakhuza. Bullshit mina ngiyakhuza. Loba live lidlala. Ubona ukuthi kulobunzima omuntu ungadlali ngalezi zinto. Manje yokuyivideo kwakho lokho kuyatrenda. Hey. Fazo yela ngqondo. Umfowethu othethelo sise ngiyamdabukela umntana abantu. Nkosi yami ehawula ubhuti abantu yahlupheka. Nonsense. Fuck off.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi waseMzansi. There's a viral video ayasizi wase-Zimbabwe insulting ma-South Africans, saying ukuthi they are here to destroy and they are not going anywhere. Uyasho nje ukuthi amaphoyisa ase-South Africa ayabayekela ngisho nakumabhoda bathi ngenile babanike bo-R2 because vele balambile kesana. And ivideo yakhe isabalele kakhulu lapha etinkundleni zokuxhumana lokwenda abantu abaningi ngendlela lesimanga baqasuka bathi uyadzihilela lo ntombatane bathi bayamfuna or bafuna nje kudila naye. So people are really angry ngemva kokuthi babone le video, and I just ask myself ukuthi why do foreigners keep on insulting and provoking ma-South Africans, because it never ends well. Like, it literally doesn't end well. Why always bahlezi benda ama-video ba-uploada etinkundleni zokuxhumana bathuka bantu base-South Africa babekwabona bala South Africa? Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.